DDG came in with that new video. Oh, I just got it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. DDG. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Let me turn this shit up, bro. Oh yeah, it's your boy Six Side, back again with another reaction video, man. It's no Jake Paul this time. This time it's DDG. You already know, Pony and me, DDG coming out with the heat. Let's see what he got.
Yeah. Let's get it. I got blood on my sheets. She ain't say she was virgin. Need to put them through detergent. Strap it up, ain't no burning. Fell in love with the money. Make you laugh, not funny. Niggas soft like nothing.
Those transitions.
Making moves in the night. On your bitch with the pipe.
Yeah.
Say she cuffed alright.
Yeah.
See about that tonight. Homeboy, I'm not to come up. Niggas talk won't run up. Wide awake when the sun up. Bitch, nigga, put your gun up. Why you speak like you G? You a bitch on me. Eyebrows on fleek. Pull up on you with a ski. Never broke, been rich.
I'm about to ski.
Tough guy, no bitch. Rip jeans, no stitch. I'm the man, no
I'm about to
shit.
ski.
Got a Jeep for the winter. I ate for the summer. I'm the shit, no plumber. Give a Jeep to my mama.
Thanks, son. I love you.
Got
Love you
6
too,
on my
man.
neck. Got 5 on my hands. Had to count that again. That's about 11 bands. I ate out of gas. Had to use E-Drive.
Wait, I think I need
Pulled over
6
6 times. No, I'm lying, think 5. Used to miss my ex. Till I got more sex. Then I got more checks. Life is less complex. I know the reals. Ain't signed no deals. I want a meal. How does that feel?
Yo, this video is lit.
I know the reals. Ain't
Lit.
signed no
You got
deal.
booty,
I want
you got
a
bitches,
meal.
you
Mom
got
don't
money.
pay bills. I was way too stressed. Had to do what's best.
Yeah.
Shouts out to the west.
West side.
I am way too blessed. Penthouse top floor, but I still want more. I ate 2 door. Need a whip with 4. Just fit 3 hoes. Lap up if mo.
Hey, that's boy. Look at this. Don't let me expose you, nigga. What you
Just fit 3
doing?
hoes. Lap up if mo. DDG
Queen in the
UO.
cut.
Ha ha, I know.
He needs some milk.
Give me head, no voice. Tickle, tickle, it's moist. I should party with my boys. I know the reals. Ain't signed no deals. I want a meal. How does that feel? I know the reals. Ain't signed no deals.
Is that a hidden message?
I want a meal.
I don't know.
Mom don't pay bills.
I heard he's like people talking about hidden messages in his videos, but I ain't seen nothing still. Alright, cool. So I think it was pretty lit. For show. You can buy it on iTunes, but at the end of the day, we have to see if no one else feel the same way about the video. So who peeped the fuck Essence joke? Weird. That's how you spell weird, guys. Remember, dropped out of school. You ate this whole, bruh. For Essence. What? At 1 food.
I know the reals. Ain't signed no deal. I want a meal. How does that feel?
I'm trying to find the hidden messages, but for Essence.
More sex.
Let me see if I could find this, bruh, cause I don't know what people be talking about. Will
She ain't say she was virgin. Need to put them through detergent. Strap.
Yo, people actually find these stuff? Jeez, I have 5 aunties.
Complex.
Oh, so you have a bunch of hidden messages in there. I want to see this one.
More sex. And I got more checks. Life is less complex. I know the reals.
Oh, I see it right there. I see it, like it come up at the bottom right there. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoy, please turn on post notifications, shout out, blah, blah, blah. I'm just playing enough to do all that bullshit, guys. This shit slap. If you enjoyed, drop a subscribe button, like the video, and always, guys, love, peace. I'm out.